Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how FortiWeb can protect against man-in-the-browser attacks. While HTTPS encrypts client-server traffic using SSL ciphers to secure data in transit, it cannot address threats that occur before encryption. In this scenario, an online shopping website must safeguard sensitive customer information, such as passwords and credit card details. Even if a user's browser is compromised, the site must ensure that this critical data remains secure and inaccessible to malicious actors. Malware, often delivered through phishing, malicious websites, or drive-by downloads, can infect a user's browser in the form of extensions or plugins. Once installed, it can intercept data entered into the browser, including login credentials, credit card numbers, and other sensitive information. This type of malware is known as a man-in-the-browser attack. FortiWeb offers man-in-the-browser protection that includes obfuscation of input fields, password encryption, and anti-keylogger rules. With FortiWeb in place, sensitive data can be securely transmitted, even if the client's browser is compromised by malware. In this demonstration, we'll focus on securing the username input field and the password input value on the login page of example.com. Let's get started with configuring FortiWeb. First, in the FortiWeb portal, navigate to Web Protection, then go to Advanced Protection and select Man-in-the-Browser Protection. Once you're there, click on the Man-in-the-Browser Protection Rule tab, and then hit Create New. Start by entering a name for your rule. Enable the host status option and specify the host name. For URL matching, select Simple String and enter both the request URL and post URL. Set the actions to Alert and Deny. Enable Ajax Check Status to further enhance security. Click OK to save your configuration. Next, configure the protection parameters. Under the Protected Parameter table, click Create New and enter a name for the parameter. Enable Obfuscate and click OK to save. Next, create another table for password protection. Enter the table name, and for the type, select Password Input. Enable Obfuscate, Encrypt, and Anti-Keylogger options, then click OK to save. Then, under the Allowed External Domains for Ajax Request section, click Create New, select Common Domains, and move them to the Allowed Common Domains list on the right. Click OK to save your settings. Now, let's configure the browser protection rule. Start by clicking Create New and entering a name for the policy. Next, click Create New under the policy to define the rule. Select the man-in-the-browser rule that you created earlier, then click OK to save the configuration. Now, let's verify if the rule is working correctly. Here, I have a web server set up. As you can see, access to unlisted external websites is blocked. Additionally, the username and password are obfuscated and encrypted as the packet is transmitted, ensuring enhanced security. Thank you for watching.